Hey guys, so I'm gonna go out and take Instagram photos. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready. Okay, right now my face is super dry. I don't like to put on makeup on a dry skin. That's just like a no-no. So I'm just gonna apply my moisturizer before I put anything on my face. I adjust my shawl so that it's easier for me to do my makeup. And now I'm gonna put on sunscreen. This is from Grown Alchemist, and yeah, I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I think even you guys can tell that my skin looks so much better than before. Okay, first I'm just gonna cover my scars with concealer and also a little bit of discoloration around my mouth. And this is the Huda Beauty Stick Concealer. The color matched my skin perfectly, and also this is like my favorite foundation at the moment. It's so full coverage. I love it so much, and also it looks so beautiful on the skin. Okay, now I'm gonna cover my dark circle. I'm gonna start with this color of concealer. Just gonna blend this into the skin. And now I'm gonna like lighten up my under eyes. Now I'm just gonna do like a very light contour on my cheek. Very light. I'm gonna do my nose contour off camera because I need to focus. Okay, now that I'm happy with my base, I'm gonna powder my whole face. I am just gonna comb my brows upward with this brow frizz. For the eyes, I'm just gonna do a very basic eye look with this color. It's gonna be very simple. Literally, I'm just gonna go out, take photo, and then I'm going back inside. So this makeup is only for like 20-30 minutes. So I did my liner and also my waterline off camera, and now I'm gonna comb my lashes. Now contour and also blush my face with this palette. I use the same brush for my blusher too. And then I saw people do this. They put like a little blusher on the nose. It looks cute, to be honest. And for your lipstick, I'm not sure which color I want to use. I just got this lipstick. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. I like the color. I love the formulation, but I feel like I look a little bit old with this color. But I know for Instagram photo, it's gonna look so good. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. And also, I would love to know if you guys like this type of video where I talk and do my makeup at the same time. So